In this segment, I'm going to talk about the different ways to remove a spa cover. The traditional way, the more difficult way, is to fold the cover in half and then remove the cover and set it down on the ground. Spa covers aren't necessarily very heavy, but they can be very awkward, so there's a much easier way to do this. Convenient spa accessory called a cover lifter. There are several different types of cover lifter, including hydraulic lift, even electrical motor lift. But the most inexpensive way I'll show you on this spa. Simply fold the cover in half like we demonstrated before. And then with one hand you can take the bar and set the cover on the back. A couple of nice features about the cover lifter is that you can do it with one hand, with one person. You don't have to worry about the awkwardness of the spa cover. And you also have a something nice that will protect you from the wind or just a nice privacy screen.